Welcome to the Digital Coins News channel. My name is Crypto Dave. Here we take daily articles and break them down into smaller pieces. Article out of Cointelegraph. The US dollar is getting so weak that even Warren Buffett is getting out. Max Keiser, latest forecast for macro. The RT host warned that safe havens such as Bitcoin and gold would seriously outperform fiat. Buffett, he implied, knew what was coming. Buffett's move into Japan's assets, taking a 5% stake in the country's 5 biggest trading houses in a move which totals $6 billion, Reuters reports. The 5 major trading companies have many joint ventures throughout the world and are likely to have more. I hope that in the future there may be opportunities of mutual benefit, the publication quoted him as saying. The announcement came days after the Federal Reserve confirmed that it would let inflation rise above its 2% target as a temporary measure, something which weighed heavily on the dollar. After volatility, the USD currency index DXY began plumbing new depths on Monday, bouncing off its lowest levels in 2 years. Late in July, when those levels first appeared, Bitcoin saw a price jump to $12,500. Buffett meanwhile is well known for his macro moves, even as he remains a steadfast Bitcoin skeptic. Last week, the so-called Buffett indicator warned about a stock market crash, even as large-cap equities continued their climbs higher. Prior to that, Anthony Pompliano, co-founder of Morgan Creek Digital, publicly bet on Buffett eventually buying Bitcoin after he revealed moves into gold. At the time, Keiser claimed that the gold entry alone would spark a run among investors, helping push BTC/USD to $50,000. Perhaps Buffett's most famous quip about Bitcoin is from 2018 when he referred to cryptocurrency as rat poison squared. Article out of the Daily Hodl. Chief executive of crypto exchange Coinbase sums up the top hurdles to widespread adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. In a podcast with investor Patrick O'Shaughnessy, Brian Armstrong shares what he believes to be the biggest thorns on the side of the crypto industry. I think there are challenges just in terms of scalability, usability, and then privacy and security on these blockchains. If we go from dial-up to broadband and all those kinds of things, that will be a huge unlock. Armstrong also emphasizes the need for clear regulatory frameworks to catalyze wider crypto adoption. There's definitely some regulatory component to it. Right now there are a lot of startups that are trying to be created. A lot of the regulatory environment is still unclear for them about is this a security, what kind of security regulations might we trip up if you do this, and so there's all these kinds of different exemptions and stuff that people are trying to jump through hoops to try to make it work. The Coinbase head also mentions that the crypto exchange is working on a project to remove some of the challenges crypto startups face as they navigate through token issuance, custody, and governance. So we're trying to think about how we at Coinbase can help that. We're working on a project. We'll probably call it Coinbase Launch or something like that. But it's a way for anyone who wants to do a crypto startup to come in and say, alright, I want to issue a token, maybe I want to raise money, maybe I just want to use it to build my community, and just handhold people through the process and help them with the custody of it. Help them create the smart contracts. Help them with the governance issues that could be a huge unlock for the crypto economy as well. To get 1,000 new crypto startups built like that,